In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export campaign statistics from Lemlist. So first head over to campaigns in the left panel. Next, open up the campaign you want to analyze. So here in the analytics page, in the left-hand side, you'll see an export campaign button. So all you have to do is click on it. Lemlist will then generate a file with key metrics like opens, clicks, replies, and more, and your file will instantly be downloaded as a CSV file. Once downloaded, you can open it in tools like Excel or Google Sheets to dig deeper into your data. In the same page, you can also sort, filter, and create reports to better understand performance and share insights with your team. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!